Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and buy the Uptos meme coin. Now Uptos is a meme coin on the Aptos network and it's one of the OG meme coins. And if we talk about the current market cap, it's sitting around 5.5 million US dollars with 100% circulating supply, which is a good thing. Now during the bull run, this meme coin can potentially 20x to 100x. Although none of this is a financial advice, please do your own research. Now you can buy Aptos on a centralized exchange as well as decentralized exchange. And in this video, I will be showing you both the options. Now you can buy Aptos on Mexi Global. Now if you don't have an account on Mexi Global, you can sign up on Mexi Global using my referral link in the description, which will give you 8,000 USDT as sign up bonus. And as you can see, Mexi Global has the lowest buying and the selling fee. So the maker fee is 0% and the taker fee is anywhere between 0.01 to 0.02%. Now, once you create an account on Mexi Global, you will need to either buy USDT or transfer USDT from other centralized exchange or wallet. Now, simply head to Mexi Global, click on Spot, and once again click on Spot. And in the search, you will need to search for Uptos and select this pair Uptos to USDT. Now, go a bit down, and there are two types of order. One is a market order. Market order meaning you go ahead and buy this at the current market price, and limit order meaning if you want to buy it at a specific price. For example, the current price is this, but let's say if I want to buy it for 0.4 times 0.5, then simply go ahead and put in the amount of USDT and click on buy Aptos. Now this transaction will show in the open orders and Mexi Global will wait for the price of Aptos to fall down to this level and then your order would be executed and then you would be getting this meme coin in your Mexi Global spot account. Now let's say if you don't want to use a centralized exchange, you can also use a decentralized exchange for buying Aptos. Now you can use Liquidswap. In this case, you will need to go ahead and connect a wallet that supports the Aptos chain. So there are multiple wallets. One is Fontem wallet, then Martian or any other wallet that you want to use. So in this case, I have connected my Fontem wallet. And over here, you can go ahead and swap your Aptos for Aptos. Now please note that you will need to buy Aptos on a centralized exchange and transfer it to your Aptos wallet. Now let me go ahead and search for Aptos. And as you can see, this meme is verified. So simply go ahead and click on this. Or alternatively, you can head to CoinMarketCap and copy this token contact address, go back to Liquidswap and paste the token contact address on the top and click on import. Now it will give a warning import at your own risk. So we'll go ahead and click on import. Now let's say if you want to swap like maybe one Aptos for Aptos, then you would be getting a certain amount of this meme coin. But in this case, I only have like 0.5 Aptos in my wallet right now. So let me show it to you for 0.1. So as you can see, 0.1 Aptos is roughly around a dollar. And in this case, as per the current exchange rate, I will be getting around 16,254 Aptos. Now simply go ahead and click on swap. Now please note that you will need some amount of Aptos in your wallet in order to pay the gas fees. So don't use the full amount, else your transaction will fail. Now once you click on swap, within 5 seconds, this Aptos meme coin would be reflected on your Aptos wallet. So it is this simple to go ahead and buy this meme coin. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.